Tiruchi, Siva.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I rise on behalf of the DMK party to support the bill which has been brought in to amend the first schedule of the Constitution to give effect to an agreement signed by India and Bangladesh in the year 1974, which involves issues relating to demarcation of undemarcated boundaries, adverse possession of territories, and exchanges of enclaves. Sir, what is an enclave? It is a territory belonging to a country and which is entirely surrounded by another country. So I think the minister has successfully, or this government has successfully negotiated with the other country as well as the concerned states, and the bill has been brought in. Sir, this bill, of course, I think I heard members representing the various states, the stakeholders, the Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and West Bengal. They have all agreed very much and they have given their consent. Sir, when we appreciate the minister for having successfully brought this bill to give effect to an agreement which was signed in the year 1974, we from Tamil Nadu urge the minister why the same approach cannot be followed in Kachetivu, an agreement which ceded Kachetivu to the Sri Lankan government by the Indian government in the same year 1974. In this case, the states have given concurrence. They have consented, but as far as Kachetivu is concerned, the people of Tamil Nadu are not in agreement with. Sir, the issues have been going on. Sir, I would like to say that Kachetivu was a part of the Jamindari Rajya of Ramnad, and when the Jamindari system was abolished, it became a part of the Madras Presidency, and all the records belonging to the Rajya of Ramnad has been taken away by the government of India and has been kept behind the screen of official secrecy. But secondary sources reveal very well with authoritative evidences that there has been agreements between the Rajya of Ramnad and various other parties for exploitation of marine resources in and around Kachetivu. Whereas the Sri Lanka, though, may claim that it is part of them, it is not so, sir. Sir, a book written by the former Sri Lankan Foreign and Defence Secretary W.T. Jayasinghe, Kachetivu and Maritime Boundary of Sri Lanka, that's the name of the book, does not provide details of the records or documents which can prove Sri Lankan ownership claims. There are no footnotes in the book. Sir, I am very happy. Ms. Sushmaji is the minister now. And I would like to recall when she was the LOP in the Lok Sabha, she has spoken with tears the issues of the Tamil Nadu fishermen. Sir, she very well mentioned that if the fingers in the legs are hurt, the eyes shed tears. We may be far away from Tamil Nadu, but we feel for them, and there would be a time which would come that we would settle the issues. And on the eve of the election, she came to Rameswaram and assured the fishermen that issues will be resolved, retrieving the Kachetivu or even forming, sir, one more minute. And even a fisheries ministry will be constituted, everything, sir. But now we are fortunate that she is here. So what we expect is the minister, the approach she has adopted in bringing this bill to settle the issues between India and Bangladesh, the same procedure can be adopted with case of Sri Lanka. Kindly reopen the negotiations. The Assembly has passed a unanimous resolution. Our leader, Dr. Kalaignar, has filed a case in the Supreme Court to get back, to retrieve Kachetivu, and all those issues are same. I agree, sir, very well. We are very well aware that international agreements, however far they may be unjust, cannot be, I think, sir, it's very, very important, sir. However far it may be unjust, the successive governments cannot repudiate them. We agree to that, sir. Sir, the agreement which has been entered into Sri Lanka and India is between only two prime ministers and not with the consent of the people or the assembly or the political parties there. Sir, if India cannot abrogate the agreement also, then what is the solution? I would suggest only one thing which I think the minister would consider, since she is also very much interested in this problem and is very much interested in settling the issues, either on proprietary basis or lease in perpetuity to get the island of Kachetivu and the adjoining seas.
That's all.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, madam, please. She gets disturbed. Madam, the solution which I would suggest to the Honorable Minister is either on proprietary basis or get the island of Kachadiv and the adjoining seas at least
No,
on
please, your
perpetuity.
time over.
That would settle the issue.
Your-
Unless and otherwise, as my colleague
time-
Raja said,
it's
situation in Tamil Nadu will get tense.
Your time
When
over.
the government is interested in settling the issues with the neighboring countries, it should
Okay.
adopt the same with the southern
right.
part of the countries also.
Okay, thank you.
Borders. Thank you very much.